You're still watching market headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 6,993.22. And then approaching the closing time of the first session, the index was on the level of 6,982.55. And then the index was showing weakening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 6,990.66. And in short, JCI went down 0.51%. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement. Leading the dynamics of today's trading, we got health as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 1.08%. Non-cyclical went up 0.36%. Energy went down 1.91%, and industry went down 1.23%. Moving on to top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. Then Central Asia went up 1.22% to the level of 8,300 rupiah per share. Telkom went up 1.61% to 4,420 rupiah. TCPI went up 1.34% to 9,460. PGAS went up 3.99% to the level of 1,825 rupiah per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got Bumi went down 5.38% to the level of 176 rupiah per share. Rakyat Indonesia went down 1.58% to the level of 4,370 rupiah per share. Adaro went down 5.31% to the level of 3,920 rupiah, and ADMR went down 2.66% to 1,830 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 15,291 rupiah, showing weakening trend towards US dollar, and it was closed at the level of 15,264. And in summary, rupiah went down 0.05%. Panca Mitra Multi Perdana will accelerate the construction of its 9th factory. The company's acceleration plan is in line with the increasing demand for export products. The frozen food processing company Panca Mitra Multi Perdana will accelerate the construction of the 9th factory, in line with the increasing demand for product exports, especially to the United States. Director of Panca Mitra Multi Perdana, Martinus Susilo, said that since the company began exporting value-added products to the United States at the end of 2019, demand from importers has continued to show a positive trend. Based on the industry report from the Urner Barry Institution as of June 2022, Indonesian shrimp exports to the United States showed an increase of 7.9% year-on-year to around 105,000 tons. Meanwhile, the export volume of processed products grew by around 63.2% year-on-year to 17,000 tons from the previous 10,500 tons. Initially, Panca Mitra Multi Perdana targeted the financing for the 9th factory construction to come from additional capital through a rights issue next year. However, management say that funding through internal cash was still possible. IDX Channel reports.